Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a really big craft haul from a variety of places. I'm going to go ahead and get into it. So first I have from the Not Too Shabby shop, I have some things that were, I think this was on their clearance shelf. This is their cards and envelopes. It's the Farm Assortment by Doodlebug. I also have a couple of things from CC Designs. I have this butterfly stamp set. This one is called Butterfly Swissy. And then I also have a little umbrella girl, and this one is called Umbrella Swissy. I have some acetate card panels, and then this die from Sugar Pea Designs that goes with what I got from Butterfly Reflections, which is the stamp set that goes with this. This is called Hey Summer. And I love the Hey Honey so much that, and I'm sorry for the glare. Let's try to, what's up with the glare? Put that down. The Hey Honey. So I got the Hey Summer. There's also a Hey Winter. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Also from Butterfly Reflections, I got this one. I've been wanting this one desperately. This one's called Hello Bluebird. Bluebird's got a bunch of stuff that I'm really interested in getting. And then this one, which is called Beach Bums. I actually got the dies for this from Simon Says Stamp for 99 cents when they had them on their Steals and Deals, or Deals and Steals, however way that goes. And then from Simon Says Stamp, the Steals and Deals, they had How Are You was not part of the Steals and Deals, but I did pick this up because, again, I have the dies that go with this that were 99 cents. So I got that, but this is what I really got from them. Go ahead and open this up. These were really cheap, however much they were. I can't remember. But yikes. So anyway, I got them because I wanted to try them out. They're kind of small, and I don't know if these are supposed to be used like in a stencil or how they're supposed to be used. I'm going to have to look at some videos and see. But this is, I guess this is going to be used much like a stencil. This is a glitter gel. This one is, I don't know what color this one is. Asteroid, I think is what it's called. It's really pretty. So I got that one, and then this one, which I thought would make a really cool, you know, kind of like a nighttime. This is called Dark Matter, and it's got some red in there. So I'll have to play with those and see what they look like. And then this one is called Nebula. They have like little stars. So there's little stars in there. This one is more like a confetti. And then this one, I guess, is also more like a confetti. Really cool. So I got those. And then I got two of the paints, which were probably really cheap. I really love these because they got the little daubers on top. And these are fun to use. This one's Fired Brick, and this is Picked Raspberry. So I might be working on some projects with some paints. From my club that I do, the Spellbinders Club, I've got this one, which I'm really excited about. I haven't been real thrilled with my glimmer stuff that I've gotten lately, so I really like this one a lot. And then I'm not a real big fan of just borders. I mean, I'm not going to pull, like, I don't know. I guess I'll have to look and see the samples and see if it's something I want to keep or not. But this is a small die of the month, and it's borders and then like a thank you. It's just a little more ornate than I normally use. And then this one is Kaleidoscope Card Creator, so you can kind of build up and layer. So I'm going to try this one because generally these types of ones where you can layer dies on top are extremely expensive. So we'll see how that one looks and see if I like it or not. For My Favorite Things, they sent me a coupon code. So I went ahead and got a couple things. One is I got some glitter paper, and this is mermaid glitter. So it's got like a blue, purple. It's got some colors that I don't have. So it's got this pretty blue, green. So anyway, I like that. So I did get that. And then also, I've been getting into stencils a little bit more. So I did get the grass stencil and the cloud stencil. See how I feel about those. And then I got this balloon die. I saw Jennifer McGuire do some fun things with this die, so I might duplicate that and then play around with that die. So I'm excited about that. And then from Simon Says Stamp, not Simon Says Stamp, Sizzix, they had a big sale. And so the dies I'm about to show you, the entire thing shipped, I believe, was like with tax and everything, I think was like $82. So I hit the $75 mark for free shipping pretty good, and then I get charged tax. So it's a pretty good deal. So I did get Tim Holtz. I got the Thinlits alphabet dies, which I thought was a really good deal. I got the small letters and the capital letters, and kind of liking that. And I think I'm going to try using these on my my slimline cards. I've seen people like use dies on there. So I like the size of these. So I got these, which I thought was a good deal. And then I think this was only like $3 or something crazy. And this is a lip balm holder. I'm going to try that because I actually just found some chapstick in here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this and see how I like it. And got something on my screen that I need to get off. I also got this, which I thought I had, but I guess I don't. So this, I believe, also comes with an alphabet. So it looks like there's an alphabet in here as well. So that's kind of exciting that, you know, I got another alphabet with this, and I think this was only $3 or $4. It was a really good deal. So I get the die to make this little bag, which is, I don't know if it's tiny or what, but I think it'd be cute as a pocket, you know, for a tag. You could use a little bag. Maybe if you had some vellum, you could make little vellum bags, but really cute. So I like that. So I got that. And then I saw Bona from Live, Love, Scrap. She did some cute little things with this. I generally tend to, you know, to destash a lot of my Sizzix. I have too many pieces. If they have a bazillion pieces, I get overwhelmed. Alphabet's fine. I get over, oh, I forgot to show you one more stickles. This is, this one rolled away. This one is Solar Flare. It's got stars. It's just there. This one doesn't have a ton of pieces, so I'm okay with that. 14 dies. It's not bad because I can't. I think I can, and then I just can't. I got this primitive heart die. Just love hearts. I've got this layering die, which is really good price. Can't remember exactly what it was, but it was a really, really good price because I've seen layering dies from other companies, and they're just really expensive. And this one was only like $6 or something to that effect. So enough to try it. And then I can make my own blue ribbons, but I don't know. It was a really good price. So I went ahead and got that. And then I got this cute Scotty dog. I don't know. I might cut it out of fabric and put it on a shirt. It's cute, right? Okay. So I got that. And then, I don't know why that's there. I got from Tonic, they have their Wednesday die deal, and this one was shipped from the UK because they didn't have it on the US site. And it's funny because I had seen Poet Spice. She did a project with, I believe it's this die right here. I think it's a tiny, I don't know, maybe it's not this die. Maybe I'm thinking of a different die, but maybe it wasn't her. But anyway, I saw this die and really wanted it. It's a Tiny Treasure Tone Box die. Maybe it's another one that's coming. I think it's another one that's coming that I saw from Poet Spice that I did order. So I did ask her a question about it and I found it. It's not that one. So it's not that one. Sorry. I have that one coming. But this is the Tiny Treasure Tone Box die. Really good price. So I'll try that one out. And then it kind of came in a pack. So it's a 3-pack. I think shipped from the UK, these were $48. That was with shipping and everything for these 3 dies from the UK. So I got this Venetian and 4 die set. it makes this like vase looking thing. I don't know. I guess I'll have to figure it out. Try it. I've got a bunch of giant pads of paper that I really want to kill and work on. These are, I think, perfect to try out and see, you know, how these look when they're all cut out. So this is a little bag. It's called the Bluebell Trellis Handbag Die Set. So that's fun. And then Tailored Expression. So they always send a free die. This one says, Mom, you are amazing, I think is what this one says. So that was a freebie from them. They always give a free little stamp. And then I bought, if you spend $100, you got a free stamp set. So I did. This was the free stamp set for the month of May. Sometimes the free stamp set lets me know that I want to buy something right away or I want to wait till next month. But this is a very like versatile die. It's called Big Hello. It's got a lot of fun hellos. So I got that. And then this is one of their mini strips. This is the Lifesaver one. We appreciate you. You're a lifesaver. It goes with their mini strips dies, which I am in love with. So I did get this one. I mean, these are kind of ones I don't know if they all can be used, but thank you. Thank you for, and you are awesome, and we appreciate you. Those can be used, I think, all the time. But anyway, got that one. And then this is, it's a jungle background. I thought that'd be fun to try because it do have like monkeys and pandas and stuff that I don't necessarily know how to use. So I thought that might be fun. And then the real reason why I bought from Tailored Expressions is I got their rainbow kits. And this was kind of pricey. It was $75, but I was totally in love with it. It came in this bag. This is a rainbow of possibilities. Super cute. I love everything in here. So let me show you what came with it. So it says I have first dibs on buying more envelope seals. So these are the envelope seals. It comes with a rainbow little variety of cards, which I thought were really cute. And then it came with 2 stamp sets that go together. One is this rainbow one. You could just use the rainbows, I guess, with the little, I don't know, sentiments, but they all just go together. This one comes with sentiments already. And you've got these ones that are curved. And then there are the dies. So you get your rainbow die and you get your cloud die. And then you get your masking designer stencil where you can stencil all different ways. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.